So I wanted to introduce you guys to who my daughter is calling Chester. I say Hunter because it's Hunter Orange, but it's not actually even Hunter Orange. It's called Orange Crush. License plates are still coming, and that's what it is. It's 2012 JK Rubicon. It's got front and rear lockers. Nothing special inside. Managed to catch a couple ducks already from my wife and from my daughter, so that's kind of cool. I do have a hard top also, which happens to be color matched, so that's pretty cool. It's got the Freedom panels on front and color matched, really nice shape. So as far as what's going to happen with this here Jeep, it's kind of a mall crawler before with those wheels, and I'm going to be changing those for something a little bit more not that, and then I'm going to get some bumpers on it. I picked up these ARB front and rear bumpers, really nice shape, and those are going to be going on it right away as soon as I get a minute or two, and I'll be putting some side steps on it because right now my wife can't even get in it with as tall as it is. It does have about 4 inches of lift, and that'll probably stay, and 34-inch tires, and those will probably stay as well, unless I decide I want bigger or smaller. But as of right now, drives great. It's great on the highway, and this is our new little toy. So just wanted to show you, and hopefully we'll have some videos about getting the bumpers on and that sort of stuff in the very near future. Thanks for following along. Have a great day.